we've tried this viral synthetic wig in not one but two colors, and today we're trying the second color here. This wig is so popular, you guys. This is Freetress equal curtain bangs wig, and I have a lot to say, so let's jump right into it, y'all. You already see what the wig looks like, so the information will be down below if you guys are interested. And we're going to start off with the construction. It does come with 3 combs in this wig, and this wig has no lace front, okay? So you don't have to cut any lace or anything like that. Here's a look at the cap. Let's put the wig on and let's get into those nitty-gritty details, okay? So when I first put the wig on, you guys, I was really feeling like the curtain bangs, I really like that they're not too thick and that they're pretty sparse. So that's one thing that I do like. I have this wig in the color 1, and I tried the color HI Coconut last week with y'all, so make sure you check that out if you missed it. So what I'm doing now is what I usually do when I first put on a wig. I try to get a feel for how I want the wig to lay on me, how it's gonna look the most flattering, and I usually comb or brush the wig out. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm happy to report to y'all that I really didn't get a ton of shedding with this, and I really didn't get. Did you know that I resell majority of the items that I purchase and review for you guys here on YouTube over on Poshmark? If you didn't, make sure you guys go follow me on Poshmark. The information is in the description, and you guys can shop there with me on the items that I review daily. Items such as wigs, shoes, clothes, and even more is over on my Poshmark closet, and I'd love to have you come and shop with me. And the best part about it is these reviewed items have been discounted for you guys as well. So meet me on Poshmark and let's go shopping. I really didn't get a ton of tangling with this, which I was so happy about because this is a silky texture synthetic wig when it comes to that type of specific wig. But this one did very well for me, y'all. This wig does have pros and cons, so I am going to get into both of them and let you guys know. And I'm also going to compare my experience with this wig as opposed to this wig in that blonde coconut color. So what I did, y'all, is comb the wig out. I added some hair wax and I put some powder in the part. Like I said, it's super easy, low maintenance, not a lot of work, so I definitely would categorize it as beginner friendly. I really liked that this was an easy wig to style. My only con is the parting space area, or more so the hairline. I feel like it was so much easier for me to conceal it when I tried this in the coconut color, which I tried after I tried this one. But with this color 1, I think with it being so dark of a color, it really made it like a little bit more work for your girl to get that hairline to blend, y'all. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. I think it is so beautiful and flattering. I would love to try this in other colors because it's just such an easy and cute wig, and I hadn't tried a color 1 in the longest time. Here's the final look. Of course, the information to this wig and this entire look will be in the description of this video, y'all. I'll also link my review to this wig in that coconut color, which is like a blonde highlight. And y'all let me know in the comments down below what you think about this wig and have you tried it yet. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review. And I will talk to you guys in the comments section of this video in my next video very soon. Bye, y'all.